Growing thick hair is not just about looking better, it changes the way people see you. A full head of hair can make your face look sharper, younger, and way more attractive. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Most people are destroying their hair every single day without even realizing it. And the worst part? Some hair mistakes look completely normal, but slowly make your hair thinner, weaker, and impossible to grow. In this video, I will show you 5 science-based secrets that can completely change the thickness and quality of your hair. Secret number 1. How dehydration makes hair thin. Most people think dehydration only affects their body, but they completely ignore what it does to their hair. Your hair needs proper hydration to stay thick, strong, and healthy. When your body stays dehydrated for too long, your scalp becomes dry, weak, and irritated. And once the scalp loses moisture, the hair strands start becoming thinner and more fragile. Secret number 2. Best vitamins for thick hair. You cannot build thick hair with weak nutrition. It's impossible. Your hair follicles need proper vitamins every single day to stay active and healthy. If your diet lacks important nutrients, your hair growth slows down, hair becomes thinner, and shedding increases over time. This is why people with poor diets often struggle with weak hair no matter how many products they use. Good nutrition works like fuel for your hair. The better your nutrients are, the healthier and fuller your hair starts looking naturally. Secret number 3. Morning routine for healthier hair. The way you start your morning has a direct effect on your hair quality. Most people wake up and instantly damage their hair without realizing it. Rubbing hair aggressively with a towel, using hot water, skipping hydration, and exposing hair to heat right after waking up slowly weakens the roots. A healthy morning routine should focus on protecting the scalp and reducing stress on the hair. Secret number 4. Haircut for thicker looking hair. Sometimes the problem is not your hair density, it is your hairstyle. A bad haircut can make your hair look flat, weak, and thinner than it actually is. But the right haircut creates volume, texture, and the illusion of thicker hair instantly. A proper haircut should work with your natural hair texture, not against it. Secret number 5. The importance of scalp health. Most guys focus only on their hair and completely ignore their scalp. But your scalp is the foundation your hair grows from. If the scalp is unhealthy, your hair would not grow properly either. Dandruff, oil buildup, dryness, itching, and irritation are all signs that something is wrong at the root level. And the problem is, most people try to fix hair fall without fixing the scalp first. Healthy scalp equals healthier hair. When the scalp stays clean and balanced, the hair becomes naturally stronger over time. If you are serious about improving your looks and building real confidence, then subscribe to the channel right now.